Hey, boss. Yes? Do you want to hear a rant that I made up? Sure. Hopefully it's not a bad one. It won't be bad, I promise. Okay. What's your rant for today? Well, do you know what I don't like about Melissa? She likes to listen to her music now loud, and she snores too loud. She thinks that I snore too loud, but I don't. All she ever does is just hear things. And I would also say that she listens to music loud, and it's annoying. Well, I wish I had earmuffs so I can cover up my microphones, so that way I can't hear crap. And she's also addicted to her music. So I wish that she could have a break. Angelica, I thought it wouldn't be a bad one. It isn't a bad one. I'm being really honest here. Well, okay. Anything else? That's all I can think of right now. Well, okay. And also, I think she's a big snowflake sometimes. And yeah, I just think that she's a snowflake and nothing else. And she's just a plain washing machine. You're gonna hurt her feelings, Angelica. No, that's okay. Nothing phases Melissa. I swear, nothing phases her. Nothing. That's a lie, Angelica. She could get offended. Yeah, whatever. But seriously, she is a snowflake. And she's not a jukebox, or whatever she said the other day. Angelica, you're gonna hurt her feelings. Whatever. I don't know why you like to say that, Angelica. Hey, I'm gonna tell Melissa something. Oh, God. Hey, Melissa! You're a big snowflake in the entire world. What? I am what? Nothing. Oh, and also, how did you get like that? Huh? What are you talking about? Look, boss. Melissa, what are you... What are you doing? Get back in your spot! Don't do that, Melissa! Hey, relax, I'm just looking. Angelica, you in trouble. Melissa, get back in your spot right now. Fine. There. Is this better? Yes, don't ever do that again. Fine. Anyways, what do you want? Did Angelica just call me a snowflake? Yes. Angelica, what the heck is wrong with you? How dare you call me a snowflake? You know I get so offended when you call me one. I told you that she was a snowflake, boss. I told you. Yeah, I know. Now I see what you mean. Yeah, can you believe this, Swarsher? I sure don't. Yeah, I don't believe it either, Angelica. Ooh, you all are fired? You all are gonna get it. Oh, stop it, Melissa. Really? So now you're gonna act like Angelica? No way. It ain't gonna happen, boss. I'm not acting like Angelica. Then who are you acting like? I ain't acting like nobody. I'm just being myself. Yeah, you were trying to punish me. All because I was out of my spot barely. And now You're probably mad at me. Look, I wasn't that mad. I was just telling you to get back in your spot. So that way you wouldn't get into trouble. Whatever. Now y'all are gonna get my punishment. I should be the one that... I should be the one for getting your punishment. I should be the one. Yeah, you heard what Angelica said. I didn't do anything. I don't care. Y'all gotta face my punishment. Moose, I didn't do crap. Damn. Yes, you do. You are acting like Angelica. I'm not acting like Angelica. You're acting like Angelica. No, I'm not. And for you, Angelica Pickles, you're gonna face my loud music punishment. I hate it when people call me that. Moisa, that's enough. Ah, don't you Moisa me. You know what's gonna happen. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. You heard what I said. Yeah, and I ain't gonna be in here to listen to you. Excuse me? Yeah, I ain't gonna sit in here and listen to your stupid mood song. Stupid? It ain't stupid. It's literally the best song ever. Uh-huh. Best song, right? Yeah, it's literally the best song ever. Look, Morsa, you're not punishing us, dude. I ain't gonna be here and listening to your freaking mood song. And also, you need to quit listening to that. I've been listening to that for like almost 4 years and I still listen to it. Can you believe this, machine? I sure don't. Yeah, I don't believe that either, boss. You're not alone. I have a slightly childish machine, and I don't even know what to do. I have a better idea. How about you unplug her? No, Angelica, that will make it worse. What will get worse? Her mood will get worse if I unplug her. Yeah, I guess you're right. Y'all better not think about unplugging me. We're not, Moisa. Angelica thought of that, not me. Then she's getting punished big time. Boss, I think you need to pull the plug on her. Really? Why? Because I don't think she'll change her mind about our punishment. You better not. What am I gonna do with you, Morris? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Look, boss, can you just at least soft unplug her? Soft unplug her? What's that? You unplug her for like 15 or 30 seconds? Or more? So can you try soft unplugging her? I guess. Y'all better not do that. Boss, I swear to God, if you touch that plug, I swear to God. I swear to God, boss, if you touch that plug, I will be... shut up. There. How's that? Yeah. Like that. Now, just wait a few seconds. Okay. Okay. A few seconds is enough. I'm gonna run away. Run away. Yeah, you better. I'm staying right here next to you, Angelica. How dare you do this to me? Dummies.